Respected teachers and dear friends, good evening all of you. Today's date is 20th of April 2022. Our today's video topic is sorting techniques in Java. My name is Dinesh and this is the original video on this topic. Sorting is basically arranging a data in a specific order. Suppose you have a large number of data available in your file or in your program, and you want to access any data as per your requirement. So it is advised that you must arrange that data in a specific order. Suppose if you have a number of students data or in a college, right, and if you want to access any one student's data there, or like its name, its branch, its address for communication. So basically we sort the whole student's name with an alphabetical order, then we can easily track any student's information. So this is basically the concepts of sorting. Sorting is arranging a data or elements in an array in a specific order, like in an ascending order or in a descending order. This is basically a sorting. So in Java, how we can achieve sorting? There are basically two ways to achieve sorting. The first is using for loops and the second is using sorting methods. Using for loops means we use for loops to print the whole elements of the array, and then we do the different operations on that array for achieving our result, like ascending or descending or finding any specific element. The second is by sorting methods. Sorting method means Java has inbuilt package which is java.util package. It has a number of sorting methods available in it. We can use that methods as per our requirement. So let's discuss the sorting methods or sorting techniques one by one. The first is bubble sort. Bubble sort means for sorting an array, the largest element in an array will be continuously moving till the highest index of an array. It means we will compare an elements with every adjacent elements in that array, and then finally we will replace as per our requirement. If you want to arrange the data ascending orderly, then we can check it thoroughly in a particular array. The second is bucket sort. Bucket sort means basically we divide our or distribute our elements in a bucket form or in a distributed form. Then that bucket is individually sorted using the sorting method, and the array is formed. The third one is com sort. Com sort means it is advanced sorting method of bubble sort. In bubble sort we will compare the elements with its adjacent elements. However, in com sort we delete the smallest elements at the end of the array. The fourth one is counting sort. Counting sort means it basically follows the concept of keys, means every object will create a key which is nothing but a small integers, and using the sorting method that keys are sorted as per our requirement. And finally, to create an implementary sorted array, we add the previous object's keys in a particular order. The next one is heap sorting. Heap sort means we arrange our elements in a minimum heap or maximum heap, and then by doing sorting on that heaps, the elements or root element in a particular heap will be deleted. The next one is insertion sort. Insertion sort means, as the name suggests, insertion, we insert an element of an array to its proper place. It means if you want to arrange an array in a ascending order, then lowest value or lowest element in that array will be placed in a zeroth index. This is basically an insertion sort. Next one is merge sort. Merge sort means it follows the concept of divide and conquer method. It means it divides the array in two equal set of elements. Then both the elements or both the sets will be sorted accordingly to divide and conquer method, and then the final array will be implemented. The next one is quick sort. Quick sort means it is a best approach to sort any array. It also uses divide and conquer method. The next one is shell approach. Shell sorting means it is basically an advanced approach of a insertion sort. It compares or it places the right element on a right place, and then finally compares the whole elements of an array as per our requirement. So this is about the very sorting techniques in Java. By using sorting, we can use our any data very efficiently and easily. Java has its own library or package, so it is recommended to use that sorting techniques for our requirement. It will make our programs easier and do our operations on any data in a efficient manner. So this is about the sorting in techniques in Java. Thank you so much.